worked so hard for those in need, yeah. I've used myself for the expectations, fulfilled the duties as responders, yeah. An obligation for the country as Filipino citizen. I should believe in God's miracle, yeah. He promised us to save our lives. One day the Lord will make our way, yeah, to bring peace and love for everyone. We deserve, we deserve. I was sacrificed in the battlefield, strongly hit, misjudged by wrong ones. Even the highest leader of our land put my name into shame, but he was wrong. Resiliency is my weapon, yeah, in fighting troubles inside company. Faith, courage and determinations, yeah, 'cause no one can put a good man down, a good man down, a good man down. I was sacrificed in the battlefield, strongly hit, misjudged by wrong words. Even the highest leader of our land put my name into shame. He was wrong. I was sacrificed in the battlefield, strongly hit, misjudged by wrong words. Even the highest leader of our land put my name into shame, but he was wrong. God forgive him all. God forgive him all. God forgive them all. God forgive them all. God forgive them all. God forgive them all.